In this video, we will show how it is possible to manage and see all test results of all your test candidates on a single screen. As an administrator, you will have full access to your test settings and the overview of all the candidates participating before and after the test. To see the candidates' results on the same page, navigate to the Tests tab and click Manage Tests. On this page, you will see the list of all the tests in the system, and in the search bar, you can find the specific test you need to examine. On the new page, go to the Candidates tab. You can choose one specific testing session, or you can choose to see all of them on the same page by clicking on Show All. Now you will see them all in the same table. You can access the test attempt ID, the candidates' usernames, the name of the session they were in, and the status of their attempt, where you can see if the report has been completed or the test has yet to be attempted. You can click on the drop-down menu to filter out the status you are looking for. You can see the results showing whether the test was passed or failed, and the score showing how many points they've earned. The Test Finish column shows whether the test has been completed. Grade Resolve shows whether the grade is given. Visible to candidates means that the student can see the report. And Report Verified means that the administrator has verified the report after the grading was finished. In addition, by clicking on the three dots, you can find more valuable options. By clicking Report, you will be redirected to this specific candidate's generated report. Previous Attempts allows you to see the candidate's previous test attempts of the same test. If you click Reset, you will erase the candidate's score and let them start the test again. And if you click on Suspend, the attempt will be suspended.